what this place has done to me. It's built me up and broke me down, picked me up, turned me around. But no matter where I feel, it is always home to me. When I'm home, can't wait to leave. When I'm gone, home is where I want to be. But I know somewhere in my mind I was always meant to leave this place behind. It's built me up and broke me down, picked me up, turned me around. But no matter where I'll be, it is always home to me. Don't take it personally. This place might be for you, but not for me. No matter where